having the appearance of a military field hospital. Every second would matter at the surgeon's table, except in this case, the precious minutes spent here are critically important for different reasons. That's because the human bodies on the table are not alive, even though they bleed and respond in ways as if they are.
We have the ability that no one else really in the world has, and that's the ability to bring a cadaver back to lifelike.
MaxFi's CEO, Bob Mills, says the company's cadaver technology makes the surgical simulations seem so real. The pumping system helps blood course through their veins. It brings the blood up to the temperature of a living human with a restored vascular system.
In vivo PC. So once we connect that cadaver up to our reservoir system, heat exchanger, and pump, and start circulating, and that's when you have a heartbeat. The temperature comes back that of a live human, and then we also then have the tactile feel, so when the surgeon cuts into the tissue, it's as though he is cutting into a live patient.
MaxFi research and development engineer Yuri Snyder explains just how the perfusion cadaver system can replicate live tissue responses.
This system acts like the heart. That pump acts like a heart would. You would see that pulsatile effect in the vessels on the cadaver. We can even measure estimated blood loss. We fill the reservoir with our various blood products, a blood product that can actually clot like real blood would.
The technology is made possible by founder and chief medical officer Dr. Jos Fernandez in Columbia, Missouri.
Cardiovascular and vascular surgeon down at Boone Health Center down in Columbia, Missouri. He started this company. We use a substance that Josh invented called in vivo light. That not only preserves the circulatory system, it restores it as well.
He says researchers, universities, surgeons, and device makers benefit from the technology.
So when they're developing a product, and we've done this several times, they thought they were ready to go to human trials, their product did not work. It had a design flaw. If they will work with this earlier in the development process, we could save them literally millions of dollars of development time. If it doesn't work, they can try it again, no one has gotten hurt.
MaxFi has many partners. This year, the company built this very new surgical simulation lab in St. Louis County. It's the only medical training center for surgeons using reanimated cadaver technology.
So physicians can practice surgery, medical device companies can build better products. We can train physicians how to use these products.
MaxFi is also playing a vital role improving battlefield skills through military trauma training.
We do a lot of work with the special forces in training their medics. We put on labs in places like Hawaii. One was just put on in Alaska.
And something new, Snyder helped the company develop a technology that mimics cardiac functions. It's an actual human heart that beats in a box.
In vivo core. We developed this specifically for doing structural heart testing. So devices like heart valves, heart pumps, stents, things that are deployed internally in the heart can be done in this system. So the heart inside this box actually beats just like a normal heart would.
Snyder devoted long hours to make this product a success.
I built this box myself by hand. What's unique about this technology is we use fluid pressure. So we direct the flow of fluid so that it compresses the heart, where other models typically wrap the heart in some sort of material, and all that friction wears that heart down and breaks it down. So this is a really low stress way to get a heartbeat without completely compromising the tissue. And that's why we built it the way we did, completely suspended in this fluid.
The company says all MaxFi technologies can improve proficiency and skills and the ability to save lives.
One of the things we're having to overcome is people, when they hear perfused cadavers, they have bad memories of a cadaver, and we need to get them over that to learn that what we provide is realism.